Hi, today I am going to show you how to make text-to-speech converter using Python. I am using VS Code for Python, but you can use anything for Python. First of all, we have to download a function named pyttsx3 in our machine. Write pip install pyttsx3 in terminal and it will install this function. I have already installed this function in my machine. Now we have to import pyttsx3 function. SAPI5 is the Microsoft Speech API speech technology which use for voice recognition and synthesis provided by Microsoft. If you are using Windows 10, then I am sure you will have two voices ID, 0 is for male voice and 1 is for female voice. Line number 6 is optional, you can use it like me or it doesn't matter. If you didn't use line number 6, then you have to write the text which you want to convert to speak after engine.say in string form. Let's check out our project.
Hi, how are you?
As you can see, it works well.
Hi dear 27 crew members.
If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button and subscribe for more.